Alright guys, we're ready to start building our computer. So now that you got everything picked out, the first thing we want to do is take a look at our motherboard. That's this thing right here. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. Alright, my motherboard came with hard drive cables, or these are called IDE cables. This is what they look like. And also SATA cables with a 4-pin converter on it. I don't know if we're going to need these or not. Our other hard drive might come with them, but hang on to them just in case. This little thing that comes with your motherboard, you definitely need. This is the piece that plugs into your case. Now your case already has a generic one, but this is specific to your motherboard, so make sure you keep this. Now, what we've all been waiting for. Enough with the boring stuff. Let's take a look at our motherboard. Now this bag that it comes in is an anti-static bag, so so nothing. Just in case you wanted to know. So let's take this out. Instructions. Make sure that you keep any CDs that you get. You're gonna wanna install all of these once your computer is installed and your operating system is run. So hold on to that and hold on to your instructions. Set them to the side for now. Now close the top of your motherboard box. Hold on, I'm trying to do this with one hand. And you set your motherboard right on it. Let's take it out. And there you have it. Now this is our motherboard. Doesn't it look beautiful? Now a quick tour of our motherboard. Here is the IDE. Here is the main where we're going to plug in our power supply. This is the 24-pin ATX 12V. This is our front side bus. These are for any cards, all these slots. These are our components, like where our USB ports plug in. Here's our SATA adapters right here, and this is our battery that stores all the BIOS information and keeps our time and stuff. And this right here is where we're going to be putting our processor. So that's your $2 tour of the motherboard. So let's go ahead and get our processor ready.